Greetings, Fire Chargers, Darkblade here, and earlier today I was watching Yu-Gi-Oh! I had to watch the Japanese version of the specific episodes that I was watching today because when I previously tried the English versions of the episodes, it led, the site had desynchronization, which the video and the audio would move out of sync. I don't remember which one was ahead, but eventually it got, some points it got, atrociously bad. And, 13 seconds out of sync. Anyway, the purpose of this video is to describe a mathematical paradox. Now, I recently finished a calculus unit, a calculus course, one of the last units basically involving finding out how much one aspect of something changes with respect to time if I'm giving another aspect of something. Many specific questions could be analyzed as basically a right triangle. One of the legs is fixed and doesn't move. The other leg grows. Find out how much the hypotenuse is growing at a certain point in time. However, whenever I ended up solving for this, the hypotenuse's growth rate ended up being lower than the expanding leg's growth rate. So let's say that the fixed leg is x, the growing leg is y, and the hypotenuse is z. The dz over dt ended up being less than the dy over dt. Here's an illustration. Let me say that x is my distance to a tower, and let's say there is a bird flying perpendicular to me from the tower. There's a bird flying away from the tower in a direction perpendicular to the direction between the tower and me, and y is the distance between the bird and the tower, and thus the bird would be flying at a speed equal to dy over dt, and z is how far I am from the bird. So in this illustration, the dz over dt would be less than the dy over dt. My distance from the bird would be increasing at a slower rate than the bird itself is flying. What is the cause of this? I understand that if that's what the math says, then that's what the math says, but it still is weird. That's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow, where I react to one of Inspiring Philosophy's videos.